Imagine this, a racket sport that's not tennis, not badminton, and definitely not squash, but somehow combines the best parts of all three. What if I told you this sport called pickleball has been quietly taking the world by storm? And here's the kicker, it's now making waves in India, with Bollywood's very own Karan Johar joining the pickleball party. Intrigued? Let's break it down. Let's start with the basics. What is pickleball? At first glance, it sounds like something straight out of a food festival. But no, pickleball isn't about pickles. It's a sport. Born in the backyard of Washington State, USA, in the mid 1960s, pickleball started as a fun family game. Its creators, a group of dads, wanted to keep their children entertained. They grabbed some paddles, a wiffle ball, and marked out a badminton sized court. The result, a sport that's as fast as a cricket T20 and as addictive as binge watching your favorite Netflix series. Now, how do you play it? Think of a court roughly half the size of a tennis court. 2 to 4 players stand on opposite sides of the net with paddles in hand, hitting a plastic ball with holes in it. Sounds simple, right? That's the beauty of it. Pickleball is easy to learn but hard to master. It blends the finesse of badminton, the strategy of table tennis, and the athleticism of tennis. It's a sport for everyone, young, old, pro athletes, or complete beginners. But here's the big question. Why is pickleball so famous? Let's call it the pandemic effect. During COVID-19, as people are confined to their homes, pickleball became the go-to hobby. Families took to their driveways and backyards, making it the fastest growing sport in America. Today, it's not just a pastime, it's a global phenomenon. From New York to Tokyo and now Mumbai, pickleball is making its mark. So why India? Picture this. Urban Indians looking for a sport that doesn't need sprawling grounds or expensive gears. Enter pickleball, a sport that fits perfectly into India's fast-paced, space-crunch cities. Local clubs have popped up in cities like Bengaluru, Pune, and Delhi. And pickleball tournaments, they are drawing crowds and even sponsors. Now here's the Bollywood twist. Filmmaker Karan Johar has jumped on the pickleball bandwagon. Earlier this year, Karan Johar posted on Instagram calling it his newest obsession. And he's not alone. Bollywood celebrities are known for setting trends, be it yoga, Pilates, or now pickleball. Karan Johar's love for the sport has given it a celebrity endorsement, adding to its growing appeal. Who knows? The next big thing in Bollywood could be a pickleball-themed movie, a rom-com perhaps. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. For now, pickleball is carving out a space in India's sports scene. Schools are introducing it to students. Corporate offices are encouraging employees to play as a stress buster. And even senior citizens are taking it up for fitness. So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a sports junkie, or just someone who's just trying to look for something new, pickleball might just be worth a shot. After all, as they say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating, or in this case, in the playing. This is more than just a sport. It's a cultural wave, and it's coming to a court near you. The question is, are you ready to paddle up? This is Leena signing off for now. Keep watching Famous TV for more.